Last year here at FirstBuild in the makerspace, we got a brand new laser. This is the Thunderbolt. Many of you that have come into the makerspace reserved this online at firstbuild.com, used it, and you loved it. I love it. It's great for engraving. It's great for really small detail. And the feedback that we got from the community was so overwhelmingly positive that we decided to reach out to Thunder and get 2 new lasers. We got big ones. These are the Thunder Nova 51s, I do believe. They are 150 watts. It has a 3-foot by 4-foot cut capacity. We've got a rotary on one. They have cameras. They are the bee's knees. Like I mentioned, they are a larger format, so if you have a bigger piece of material than the 12 by 20 that the Bolt can cut, you can cut them on these new lasers. So they also use the same software that the Thunderbolt uses. It uses Lightburn. It's super easy to use. It's available on these computers that we have here at FirstBuild. So if you don't have it, you can come do your design work and your cutting work all here in the makerspace. So some cool features about the Nova that I really like is that it has a high and a low air setting, which means in Lightburn, you can either turn the air on or off. It's never really off. It just has really low airflow, so if you're engraving work, that high pressure air doesn't blow all of your ash all over the rest of your design, and it makes it look nice and crisp and clean. The high air setting is where you turn the air on, is when you're cutting through material, so it gets rid of all of the ash and all of the debris so that you can have a nice crisp cut line. Now, because these are higher power laser, you can cut through thicker material. We've tested up to 1/2-inch thick plywood in a single pass, and it cuts beautifully. Let's talk about some of the cool things that we got with these lasers from Thunder. One of the things that we have, which is stock on the Thunderbolt, is a camera. The Thunderbolt has a built-in camera system. These don't, but we got the additional cameras. So we've set them up here, and it allows you to see a majority of the cut bed. So whenever you have your design and you're moving it around, say on a piece of scrap material, you know exactly where it's gonna cut. One of the other cool things that we have that we're still figuring out right now is a rotary attachment. This allows you to engrave cylindrical items, so if you've got cups that you want to put your name, your team names or whatever on, rolling pins that you can emboss really cool designs on baked goods, we can use this. It still needs a little bit of setup. We're still trying to figure it out right now, but once we get it up and running, we'll let you know. We are super happy with the new lasers. It's really great to have a full complement of laser capabilities here. If you want really fine detail engraving, the Thunderbolt is perfect. If you have big, huge general purpose laser cuttings, then the Novas are amazing for you. And you can come to FirstBuild right now and use these lasers. You can reserve them on firstbuild.com. We've got it broken up, so if you want to engrave or you want to cut, you can choose the laser that works best for your needs. You can come on into the space and get working right now. If you're unsure how to use Lightburn on these lasers, you can check out the link in the description of this video for part 2, which is a dedicated tutorial video. And thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see you here at FirstBuild.